7 relationship behaviors you should never tolerate. Everyone deserves a relationship built on respect and love. But what if it's not that way? Here's what you shouldn't tolerate. Disrespect is a big no-no. You deserve to be treated with honor, not belittled or criticized. Unhealthy jealousy can suffocate a relationship. Trust and freedom are key ingredients for love to thrive. Constant dishonesty undermines trust. If lies are frequent, it's time to reconsider. Emotional manipulation is a covert form of control. Nobody should make you feel guilty for their actions. Physical or verbal abuse is intolerable. It's an alarming sign that requires immediate action. Remember, you're worth respect, love, honesty, and freedom. Don't settle for less, you deserve the best.